Hey guys, here's a project that I've been working on called the Cloud Notes Manager, and I've never worked with the cloud before. And so I went in and I researched quite a bit on what types of cloud databases are good to use. And I found out that AWS is commonly used um, among different enterprises, and that within AWS there's a tool called RDS, which you can use to make simple databases. And so I use that to make a relational database for basic file management. And if you were to look at how um, this basic database is organized, is that there's a users table, a files table, a folders table, a tags table, and then the version control table. And the goal is for this to be able to create almost as if it was your own Google Drive or your own Dropbox that you can manage your own files, your own file system. Because I know that I personally don't like OneDrive, and I'm sure that a lot of you guys don't. But if you look in my GitHub, which I'll include in this video, you'll see some useful websites and some future work I want to do. But let's get into the code. Let me show that a little bit. Um, Most of the work I've been doing hasn't been on the code side, but has actually been in setting up the database and just researching and learning AWS. So this is a basic menu that I've created just to simulate what the UI would look like once it's working completely. And so, because I've just set up the database and I've initialized contact with my code, but I haven't fully set up my file system because it's been a lot of learning, and I'll share a new video about my progress on that. And so, if I were to go here and type in one and then click enter, you'll see it would look like that. But this is just kind of a basic look of what it would look like. And so I had to make a database connector class, which essentially takes information for the endpoints of the AWS database, and I put in the password and username so I would be able to access that. I should probably blur that out in the video, but it's okay. And if I were to go here, you can see that this is the RDS, the Amazon database that I had to set up. And then I use these endpoints and then a master username and password to be able to access the database. But um, that's all for today. And next week, I hope to have more and show you what it will really look like. Thanks for watching.